Hey, so we're at about, what time are we at? We're about 1:30, 1:30 or so, and the wind is supposed to get worse in the next few hours. So I'm going to put on my waterproof gear and probably go up on deck and look at the mooring lines and the whole setup and make sure everything looks the same as it was before this wind started. So we're probably going to get a little wet. So I'm going to probably put the camera in a waterproof casing so the sound might not be that great. But I think that's the best I can do is just walk up there and check it out. And so we got old school. It's a little waterproof case, but at least we can see what's going on. You'll get an idea of the wind on the water. You can see the gusts push on the water. So, all right, cool. Run that mooring ball pretty good. Looks like it. Wind's coming basically straight at us. But when it gets really bad, it's supposed to shift over this way, hopefully. If we're going to get 50-mile-an-hour gusts this way, it's not going to be cool. Better than being out there. It's got some wind chop out there. Yeah, we're doing alright. Might be having fun if your name's Wanagi. All it takes is a stick. Is that your stick, honey? Is it? Honey, is that your stick? Oh, look at that. That's a beauty there, buddy. Oh, wee. That's all it takes. Looks like the wind's filling in again. Wonder if we're going to get some more wind. Seems like we had a little break there for a little bit. I'm thinking it's about 5 or 6 in the afternoon at least. So according to weather, it should be settling down back into the 20s for the evening. And this has got no wind swell really. So pretty nice night to see. Yes sir. Gotta love it. So the storm's kind of died down. Don't know if it's over or what's going on, but Wanagi finally came to shore and then she ran all the way out over there. She's just hanging out on the point, doing her own thing. She just went up and over. But I can still kind of see her tail wagging. Gone. Anyways, it's the staircase goes up there, a man-made staircase, and then a trail, and there's some camping sites over there and stuff. But she's just having a little adventure. The bay's calmed down, the wind's kind of calmed down. There's a seal right here hiding out. He's like, shit, it's done. No more psychopath freaking wind storm thing going on. There's songs coming down the ramp of the moorage over here. That's our raised dog, Song. He came from Standing Rock too. Song, what's up, buddy? Come here. Come here. Look. What's up, buddy? Hey, you. What are you doing? Hi. Hi, buddy. Yeah. What are you doing? Where'd she go? Where's Wanagi? You should go find Wanagi. She went up there. Go that way. That's where she went. Anyway. anyways, we're just hanging. It's nice to get off the boat. I didn't know if we were going to get the chance to. There's a seal right there, if you can see him. About halfway in the bay there. I don't know how to zoom this camera in. Is that a zoom in? There we go. Are we zooming in anymore? Can we zoom in more? Nope. Okay. Well, anyways. There were otters out here. Wanagi chased an otter off of this point over here yesterday. Well, she didn't chase it, but she was up in the brush here. And then an otter came out of those rocks, and he was swimming around doing circles. She was running on the shore. He was looking at her as much as she was looking at him. When she came over here, he was swimming over here. And then last night, there was about 3 or 4 of them swimming out all through the bioluminescence before the storm. And is that an otter right there? No, that's seaweed. But they were swimming around all the buoys and stuff. This big catamaran wasn't here. They just came in the middle of the storm, or tail end of it. And then these other 3 sailboats, they were all here last night. But yeah, I'm almost out of batteries, so that's all I got to say. We're enjoying this break in the weather. It was definitely blowing all day and raining all day. Hopefully we're going to get some more rain, but hopefully we'll get a break here. Them two, never ending. Gentle, Song. Hey, Song. Gentle. Come here. Come here. Gentle. Come here. So here I just came in from outside. It's cold. Probably can't hear me because of the chase. Oh, really? Seriously? She's a seal. It's so freaking cold. I don't know what she's thinking. But whatever. She enjoys it, so that's all right. She's just having fun. It's cold as hell, I think, but she don't mind it. What are you doing, Woggers? Woggy. Woggy. McDoggy. She's got her own little swimming hole here. Come on. Now. Hey, come here. Come on, bud. Let's go. Here's a stick. That's it up. Let's go. Kind of cool. This stick kind of looks like a periscope out here, like a submarine. It's just a stick. At low tide, it was just barely there, but you can kind of see it right out there. Okay, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. First step, first step. All right. Hi, how are you? I love you. Oh, yes. This is what we do. This is what we do. Check it out. This is what we do. Come on, down one, down one. Whoa. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Good girl. Look, your bed's all made. Oh, it smells good. It's all fresh and fluffy. Right on. Anyways, here. She's in your bed. You look, honey. Yeah, it's all fresh, huh? It smells good. It's your bed, honey. Right on. Cookies are almost done. Check it out. Oh, yeah. Looking in the top of the oven there. You can kind of see them. They got a few more minutes to go. They smell so good right now. Oh, my God. Anyways, here's the dough. The dough, man. There's the dough. Hey, good morning. Wanagi's down here. She's got a towel on her because we had to go to shore after that storm. Spent the night on the boat getting pounded by wind and wave swell. We slept, but not all the way through the night. Like I was up and down, But I'm so grateful. Anyways, we're doing good. We're just gonna take it easy today. Movie day, nap day, recover from all that. We went ashore already when Wanagi got to go to the bathroom, and I'm just hanging out. Yeah. But we survived. Everything's kind of damp in here. I mean, not bad, but comparably. But the outside cockpit's just soaked, you can see. And then we got the Jenny running so we can pop our battery bank. It's at 94.6. It was only at about 93, but I'm going to just bump it right up today. So we're at 100%. Because we're planning on heading to Friday Harbor tomorrow to go get our winter moorage slip. I think the weather's going to start getting better later as the day goes. We got a little bit of wind this evening and today, supposedly, but tomorrow should be a nice calm day. 10 knots wind maybe, even out of the northwest, so it'll push us that way, which is pretty cool. So that's the plan. Just gonna hang out for the day and recover. We definitely didn't get enough sleep last night, so feeling kind of drained, and but it'll be a good day to hunker in with the doggy and hang out listening to cool spiritually induced music. Be cool to hang out and just meditative music and just nice calm afternoon, maybe watch a couple movies and go from there. So this is where we always put our video because it's convenient. It shows the whole, well, I think it shows most of the cabin. I just started using this, it's a GoPro knockoff. Batteries go dead pretty fast, but that's alright. It keeps me from babbling too much. It cuts me off. But anyways, we made it through the storm. If you're new to my channel, so we made it through the storm. It was pretty windy last night. Definitely gusts up in the higher 40s, I'd say. They even said up in the 50s, but I wasn't clocking it. But man, we were getting hammered. There was definitely some breeze coming through. About 3:30 in the morning, I actually woke back up again because it started up again and was really howling. And then that was the last of it. So we made it. We didn't drag anchor. Glad I added that extra scope out. But that's, you know, some things I've learned. I, you know, don't want to drag anchor into someone else's boat or have no control over my boat. So thanks for checking out my channel. If you're new to my channel, we upload videos every Friday. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and then the little bell next to it will notify you when a video uploads up, the new video every week. And then also if we do anything sporadic, live things, stuff like that, or in the future we'll definitely be moving, and maybe we'll do events and things, and be able to come and hang out at different ports where followers are along the way. That would be rad. I've seen other sailing channels do that. That would be pretty cool. Take people out for the day or something. But anyways, that's all we got going. Wanagi's warm and dry, and I'm gonna get out here on the couch settee, as they say in sailing lingo, and I'm gonna pull a blanket over me and just hang out and probably watch movies today, relax, make a pizza. It feels like a pizza day. It's all cloudy, overcast, light breeze, boat's moving a little bit, but not too bad. It's comfortable and no wave swell, which is the hard part because the boat rocks. This boat does pretty well though because of the amount of displacement it has, but still we get rocking and rolling. Anyways, thanks for checking out my channel. I am babbling even despite the battery issue.